Hello, welcome to our channel. Today I will be reviewing the Early Bird Happy Hour gummies. There's 60 gummies in each pack. Basically how they work is they have some green coffee extract and other vitamins that are gonna help you absorb the caffeine slowly. As you probably know, coffee combined with L-theanine increases your focus and also your energy. Well, caffeine actually does that on its own, but if you combine it with L-theanine, it gives you that calm energy and you don't get the really intense jitters. So that's the plus if you get a product that combines caffeine and L-theanine. Also, these gummies contain huperzine, which will increase your mental focus in a different way. So basically, when you combine the three, you will get a major boost to get stuff done. Also, another thing that you can find in these gummies are vitamin B6 and B12, which are going to help with your brain fog. And I am a huge fan of the morning cocktail. I think it's a really great alternative to coffee when you don't want to get any jitters. So I decided to give these a try as well. The company actually sent these to me for free to review them. So here are my thoughts. So these have two main flavors. One of them is like this very bitter, intense flavor. And then the second one is this fruity, sweeter taste. I would say I definitely prefer the morning cocktails taste, but if you like the more bitter taste, then you might actually love these. So yeah, for me, I definitely give a point to the morning cocktail. So I'm gonna wait and see how it affects me, and then I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, I'm back. So it's been about an hour and a half, and I actually decided to take a second gummy because I felt like the one that I took during the video wasn't really doing anything for me. I couldn't really sense any difference. So I let that one get absorbed, and now I can actually feel a difference. I'm not way more energetic, but I do feel like I'm a little bit more focused on what I'm doing. So I definitely think it's working. I think if I were to compare it with the morning cocktail, that one works a little bit better. Like I felt more focused when I drank the morning cocktail, but I can definitely sense a difference between how I was before taking the gummies and how I feel now. So I definitely give it a thumbs up for the fact that it does work. So I'll definitely be carrying a few gummies with me every day. They actually give you a cute little capsule that comes with every purchase. Looks like this. And I think you can fit like 4 gummies. At least that's how many I put. I don't want to squish them in too much. But they're really good, like whenever you don't have time to make your morning cocktail, or if you don't want to get coffee, this is perfect, you know. So yeah, I recommend them. They definitely do work, and they're perfect if you want to get a little bit of extra focus and energy. Obviously it's not going to be jitters, but that's not what we're going for if we want to eat some of these gummies. So yeah, I think you should try them if you like the morning cocktail. Hey guys, I'm back. Today is my 4th day trying out the gummies. I felt like after taking 2, I wasn't really getting much out of it, so I decided to take a couple more. And then like a few hours later, it really hit me, and I could definitely tell that I overdosed on caffeine. So I just wanted to warn you guys that these gummies take a little bit of time to kick in. So don't worry about it if you don't feel the effects right away. Like you don't need to take more gummies, just like wait for it, take one or two, and then they should do their effect after some time. But if you're impatient, you might overdose on the caffeine like I did, and it's not the best feeling. So yeah, keep in mind also, like if you combine them with a cup of coffee, keep that in mind, like the caffeine's gonna add up, so don't take too much caffeine. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've also tried them, please feel free to comment below and share your experience with the gummies and let us know what you think. Also, if you would like me to review any other of their products or some caffeine related products, you can also make your suggestion below and I'll be taking that into consideration. Thanks so much. Bye!